Empathy is important because we are in people's personal space. And sometimes we're dealing with customers that are older and never had any strangers in their home, let alone going through their stuff. So we have to be patient and show a lot of empathy and concern for them and their personal property.
Empathy. And I think in this industry, in restoration, actually just in any service industry, if you don't have empathy, then you're not going to give good service. In restoration especially, we see people that go through some very difficult hardships. And because we do a lot of large loss, we see customers' whole houses burned down, torn in half by a tree, or flooded, and all of their belongings go up with it. It's not just a shelter, it's their home. It's where all of their memories are. And when they see something like a fire or flood happen to their house, I mean, the emotions that people go through it's a difficult process, difficult situation to be in. So having true empathy is so important when we see.
Empathy is also related to the clients. We want our work to please the client, and for the client to have a good view of the company, and for our work to please the client, so they are satisfied and like our work.
If we don't care about the work that we're doing and the customers, where's the value? You gotta put yourself in our customers' shoes.
Empathy. Yes, this core value is essential, and we apply in every single job because the nature of the work that we do, we need to have empathy for the customers. We need to understand that they disrupted their lives, and we want to be with them and try to help them to back to their normal routines as soon as possible.
I tell my guys, I said, look, when you go in somebody's home or somebody's business, you gotta treat it like it's your family's or it's your own. So when I go talk to customers, especially our mitigation side, they are dealing with disaster. They just had a big episode.